Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I want to share with you this super adorable Valentine's project. I made a Valentine's treat holder purse and I made a template that I'm going to share for free with all my subscribers, so keep watching so I'll let you know how to get it. I also wanted to say thank you so much to all of you who sent me comments on my community tab after my post about my heart fluttering and faintness issues. I'll have a little more of an update towards the end of the video, but I wanted to share with you. I made this template and I made this DG stamp that you can use. You can print it out of white cardstock and color it and use it like that, or I'm also included on the template the separate pieces so you can add them together to your project using some dimension like foam dots and things like that. And I am going to show you how we're doing it. If you like the template and you're one of my subscribers, make sure that you email me to the email address that you saw on the screen. It is the only way I'm going to be able to send the templates to you. If you're one of my subscribers, you already know that I have several videos with templates. I don't get notice on all the comments that people leave me on all my videos, so I may miss a comment where you ask me for a template. This is the reason why I created this email address over here. So email me over there, ask me for the template, let me know which one you would like, and that way I am going to make sure that I can email it to you. So please make sure that you do this. I'm sorry for the hassle, but it helps me a lot and it's the only way I can guarantee that you will receive it. So email me to that email address on the screen. Thank you so much, and I'm sorry for the hassle, but it is the only way that works for me. So now we're going to put together our little bag. So here's how the template will look, and I'm also including in there a copyright notice. This is work. It's work and I love creating it for you and I love sharing it with you. I've noticed that right now there's a lot of carelessness about copyright, and we work hard at what we do, so I really ask that you please respect my copyrights. Only use this template as allowed. I'm attaching here an angel policy that tells you how you can use a template and what you cannot do with it. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and I appreciate you respecting my work. Thank you. So this is what you'll receive and it looks like this. So I added here the different pieces that you can put together, and then on the next page I also added the digistamp so you can just print it and color it. I'm going to use gold poster board and I trace my piece that I already made a template for, and you can see here you don't need any special tools, no dies, no cutting machines, just your scissors. You will need a printer so you can print the design, but that's it. And here you can see how I do to cut shapes that are not even, like circles or ovals like this. Move your cardstock, don't move your scissors. That way you will have an even cut and it will be easier for you to cut. Now we're going to score, and I'm going to score all the areas where I need to fold. And you can see there on the side I only left a 1/4 inch for the tabs. You can cut them longer if you'd like to. I just thought that it was enough since I'm planning to use 1/4 inch double-sided tape. But you can make them bigger if you'd like to. And I'm going to finish here scoring so I can fold all the score areas. And this is how it will look once you glue this together. Now we're going to do the same to the other piece and fold all your areas where you score. Don't fold too hard if you use poster board or heavy cardstock because it would tend to rip a little. And now that I have my two pieces cut and scored, I'm going to actually cut the area for the handle, and I'm going to use these 2 punches from Stampin' Up because I'm going to also create a frame for my oval. So I'm going to place my punch wherever I want it. And if you want to make sure that both your ovals are going to be in the same place on both of your pieces, just put them together like this, and then you can trace with a pencil where the oval is, or you can just grab your punch as I'm doing here and just punch the second shape out. That way you will make sure that they're both at the same place. And I'm going to use also this scallop punch that you see there because I want to create a little frame for my oval later on. So now we're going to apply this cord tape to our flaps. You can use wet glue if you'd like to. I like using double-sided tape for these areas because it's a lot stronger adhesive, and I want to make sure that my little bag won't come apart. So I always burnish everywhere where I add adhesive of any kind to make sure that it sets properly and that it's going to be lasting. So now I'm going to place this together, and this is how it will look. And I'm going to add glue, wet adhesive glue to the bottom of one side, and then I'm going to glue the top of my other piece. Make sure that you add enough adhesive, and then I'm going to place it right in there. You can see they fit perfectly. And once I add it in there, I'm going to burnish it to make sure that the adhesive sets properly. So do that on both sides of your bag, and you're ready now to decorate. So you can see there, you could add the DG stamp. It will fit right perfectly. You can just color it, and that will give it dimension. But I'm going to cut the pieces, and I'm going to use this paper from Basic Gray. It's an older paper pad that is called True Love. I'm going to trace and cut all my pieces from different papers from this collection, and then I'm going to glue the bottom piece, which is the band, and I actually clustered the other pieces, and I made a rosette, a paper rosette. If you want to learn how to make the perfect crepe paper rosette, I have a tutorial I'm going to link here at the top of the video and down on the description below. Super easy and it's fun to make, so I recommend you watch that. So I'm going to keep putting my pieces together, and this time I'm going to add foam adhesive tape so I can raise my second heart, and I will give this more dimension. So after that, I'm going to put together my cluster here using the little ticket that I'm adding on the template. I also cut out a little label that I cut from a Stampin' Up punch and a little heart. So after gluing them, I use foam tape on the label and the little ticket. And after that, I'm going to use wet glue to glue my piece to my bag. And look at how stinking adorable! Oh wow, you guys have to let me know in the comment section how'd you like it. And now we're going to remove all the backing from the adhesive, the double-sided tape, and we're going to put together our little bag. Remember to burnish everywhere where you have adhesive. I know it can be annoying, but it really makes a difference, so your projects will last longer. And this is how it looks. So stinking adorable. I really like it. I love the size because I think it's big enough so you can put a lot of different things, but it's not huge, so you don't have to put a lot of different things if you don't want to. And you can close it, but I'm going to show you what I plan to put in here. I'm going to make a frame for my oval handle first, and you can see I use a oval punch, and then I punch out the scallop frame out of it, and it looks super cute. So now I'm going to show you what I plan to put inside, and this will be perfect for teachers or for your kids' Valentines. It's just so stinking adorable. So I'm going to use tissue paper. I'm using the pink one over here. I'm going to fold it in half and cut it around 12 inches in width. And then I'm going to place it diagonally inside of my little basket, my little bag, as you see me doing there. And then once I have that, I'm going to use the Campfire mini marshmallows. These are one of my favorites, and I love that they come packaged separate. So I'm going to also add this Starbucks hot cocoa vanilla brulee, and I'm going to fold it so it fits inside, and I love that the color matches perfectly with the gold of my little bag. Then I'm going to add this English breakfast tea. It's pink and I love it, so you have two different hot drinks. And I'm going to add also this lip balm here. This is cherry scented and it's so super cute, so it kind of matches the Valentine's vibe. And this is where I got it from. I bought this set and I'm using this one for this gift. So I place it inside. I'm going to place these caramels in also as part of my treat. And you can see here, you can give this to your teachers, or you can make them for your kids' Valentines, or you can give it to your friends and to your co-workers, and this will be great. I'm using here a ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This one is super cute. It's umber style, and I love the colors. It sort of reminds me of unicorns, but it matches great with this project. So I'm going to kind of like tie it up a little bit. I'm not tying it all the way, but I'm tying it enough so it kind of closes the paper and people don't see right away what they're getting. I like to give the element of surprise. So look at this, super stinking cute. Oh, you have to let me know down on the comment section how you like it. And I forgot to tell you, I also added these Hershey Kisses. They're gold and they match perfectly. And this little gem, I'm using this from the gemstones. This is from the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. And I added a smaller one to the little heart on my ticket. So how do you like it, guys? I hope this is helpful, and if you like the template, remember to email me if you're one of my subscribers. And I wanted to thank you guys for worrying about me. I know that I posted about not being able to do much because I was having heart fluttering and faintness. I went to the cardiologist. I'm doing a lot of tests, but it appears to be stress related, so thankfully it won't be anything worse than that. So I wanted to thank you all and welcome all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all my existing subscribers for all your love and support. You guys are so appreciated. I love you so much, and I hope you guys are having a great beginning of your year, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.